Ready to see something different? Don't miss this moment to take a closer look at one of Edge's combat munitions. Smaller, smarter, and faster. Curious? Keep your eyes on the story. Under the blazing sun illuminating the runway at the Dubai Airshow 2025, the atmosphere of innovation was unmistakable at the Edge Group Pavilion. Global attention was drawn to three cutting-edge precision strike systems that stand as clear proof of the United Arab Emirates' ambition to lead the roadmap for next-generation guided munitions. Among advanced technologies such as the Thunder P-31ER and WSM-1, both promising high operational flexibility, one name truly stole the spotlight and became the talk of military experts: TARIQ-LR. The TARIQ story began in 2012 when it made history as the first UAE-based manufacturer of precision-guided munitions. What is being showcased today, however, goes far beyond history. It is about the future of air-delivered weapons that are smaller, smarter, and significantly faster. The core of TARIQ's advantage lies in its ability to transform conventional unguided bombs such as the Mk-81, Mk-82, and Mk-83 series into lethal long-range munitions through a kit-based system that has been proven across multiple combat environments. Imagine a combat scenario where precision determines the difference between mission success and disaster. Pilots equipped with the TARIQ system no longer need to enter high-risk zones protected by dense enemy air defenses. With bolt-on propulsion technology and deployable wings, the TARIQ-LR variant can strike targets at ranges of up to 120 kilometers. Inside the cockpit, flexibility is paramount. Thanks to wireless system integration, pilots can instantly program attack profiles in response to rapidly changing battlefield conditions. The munition is equipped with a combination of GNSS, INS, and an imaging infrared seeker, enabling automatic target recognition with an almost perfect success rate. In the heat of combat, TARIQ offers a unique capability rarely found in weapons of its class. It can lock onto off-bore sight targets up to 180 degrees, meaning pilots can release the weapon even when the target lies at extreme angles or behind the aircraft's flight path. Once released, the fire-and-forget system takes full control, navigating at speeds of up to Mach 0.9 and altitudes of up to 40,000 feet. With a circular error of less than 3 meters, TARIQ ensures minimal collateral damage, an essential requirement in modern warfare, where efficiency and precision are critical. Edge Group offers two main variants to meet a wide range of tactical needs. The TARIQ-S variant serves as an agile, modular solution with a 40-kilometer range, while the TARIQ-LR stands as a dominant long-range platform. What makes this innovation even more attractive to the global market is its ITAR-free status, allowing seamless integration across various fighter aircraft without complex regulatory constraints. Through TARIQ, Edge Group is not merely selling weapons, it is offering certainty amid the uncertainty of the battlefield, an all-weather, day-and-night tactical solution born from a bold national vision in the desert. This technology leaves us with one compelling question: how far will the boundaries of innovation continue to shift in the future? What do you think? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching this episode.